Hi there, this is savewith.crypto. Earlier on I was just talking about wrapped EGLD, WEGLD, and I was saying what you could do with it if you wanted to is you could leave it wrapped and make a liquidity with it. I was just going to show you how to do that. So first of all I'm just going to harvest my farms, just get some locked MEX. What I will do, I'll just cut the boring bits out of this video. Okay, so that says all rewards harvested. So now I can just go to liquidity, add liquidity. Now here, what I'd do is I'd select the WEGLD. I'm going to use all that, and I'm going to combine it with LKMEX and add liquidity. Fee is 9 cents for that. Okay, so continue, sign transaction. So you see, by leaving it as WEGLD, you do pay less. So that would be my suggestion, is if you can, leave it as WEGLD and use it like that if you can. As I said before, the only thing you need it for as EGLD is to pay fees. And I'm going to stake that in my EGLD next form. So I'll just put that in there. I mean, today these processes seem to be much better and quicker, but I've got a problem with it disconnecting all the time. Now, if I refresh this page, if you look at my account now, you'll see that the WEGLD has been used up now, and it's providing liquidity now. So at any point like that, you know, if you've got some locked MEX hanging around, you may as well do something with that as well. So all I'm going to do with that is put it into the Earn MEX one. So I'll just select that, go MEX, stake. Yeah, staking seems to be costing about 20 cents today, so that's probably worth bearing in mind. But you know, we've got the optimum harvest calculator now, so we can know when to harvest. A link to that is in the description. Okay, so I think that's going to be it from me today. I've got to get packed. So if you've enjoyed this very short video, do give it a like. There wasn't much to dislike there really, so don't even bother doing that. If you do it twice. And please do leave a nice comment. I'll try and get to them later on, but I'm going to be driving for a little while, so I might not have much time. But do make sure you're subscribed. Do click the notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. And remember to tell your friends.